Greetings fam, if you're tired of cluttered counters and want one powerful, versatile cooking machine that can handle air frying, baking, toasting, and more without taking over your kitchen, the VAL CUCINA infrared heating air fryer toaster oven combo might be exactly what you've been dreaming about. This 10-in-1 countertop powerhouse does a lot. So click the link in bio if you want to check it out while we break down all the real details. I've researched this oven thoroughly across the internet, reading expert appliance reviews, watching real cooking demos, and digging into honest user feedback. So this rundown isn't just hype, it's an honest, informed look at whether this combo oven actually delivers and if it's worth your hard-earned money. Right away, the first thing that impresses is the generous 26.3 quart capacity. That's plenty of space for a 6-slice toast, a 12-inch pizza, or family-size trays, which makes this unit feel more like a small conventional oven than a typical toaster oven. For most day-to-day cooking and entertaining, that size is super useful. One hallmark feature here is the infrared heating system. Instead of relying only on convection airflow, infrared heat helps cook foods more evenly and can lock in moisture while speeding up cooking times. Users report juicy roasts, crispy air-fried foods, and nicely browned bakes without the dry results you sometimes get in regular ovens. The non-toxic enamel-coated interior is another big plus. It's easier to clean than bare metal and stands up well to drips, spills, and high-heat cooking, which matters when you use this oven multiple times a week. Combined with the enamel baking pan included in the box, you literally get everything you need to start cooking right out of the gate. With 10 cooking modes on tap, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, roast, and keep warm, you're basically replacing several appliances with one. That kind of flexibility is a huge convenience if you like experimenting with recipes or want to simplify your countertop setup without sacrificing capability. Users also mention that the controls are intuitive and easy to navigate, so you don't have to wrestle with confusing menus or guesswork to find the right setting. For many people, especially those who just want consistent results without frustration, that ease of use is a real standout benefit. That said, no appliance is perfect. Some users note that while the air fry results are great for most foods, they might not be quite as ultra crisp as what you'd get from a dedicated standalone air fryer. And because it's larger, it does take up more counter space, so make sure you've got room before committing. Overall, after researching everything in depth, I'd say the VAL CUCINA infrared heating air fryer toaster oven combo is absolutely worth it if you want a versatile, high-capacity countertop oven that can air fry, bake, toast, and roast with good performance and easy cleanup, especially with the enamel interior and included pan. If you need ultra-compact gear or the absolute best crispiness from a dedicated air fryer, you might consider those separately, but for most kitchens, this hits the sweet spot between performance, value, and convenience. Click the link below for the best price.